Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter with malai. First, let's talk about collecting malai. Malai is the creamy layer that forms on top of boiled milk. Simply skim it off and store it in an airtight container in your refrigerator. Continue collecting it for several days until you have about 2 to 3 cups. This ensures you have enough for a substantial batch of delicious homemade butter. Now for the exciting part, churning the malai into butter. Take your chilled malai and place it into a blender or food processor. Add about 1/4 cup of ice-cold water. Blend on high speed. Initially, it will thicken, then suddenly separate into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the butter has separated, it's time to wash it. Carefully pour the contents of your blender into a large bowl filled with cold water. Use your clean hands to gather the solid butter. Gently squeeze out any remaining buttermilk. Repeat this washing process with fresh cold water 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear, ensuring pure butter. Finally, let's discuss storing your wonderful homemade butter. Once washed, you can shape it into a block or any form you prefer. Place the butter in an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 1 week. For longer preservation, you can freeze it for several months, ready to enjoy whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.